Founded in 2013 by Payal Kadakia, the app ClassPass allows you to book classes in any gym or fitness studio easily. Instead of signing up for one gym membership, ClassPass allows you to sign up for multiple workout sessions in different partner gyms on the platform. Even if you're traveling, you can work out at any of the partner studios around the world, as they've tied up with multiple studios in different countries. To begin using the service, you would have to have an account with your credit card tagged in. Once you've tagged your credit cards, you can purchase a subscription plan that you can use throughout the month. So let me show you how to reserve a class on the ClassPass app. Here on the screen you have a list of studios that you can go and individually view the classes that they offer. Here you can click on classes and you can see all the sessions available for the day or tomorrow or the next couple of days. Once you've chosen any of the options, you can go ahead. Let me show you how to pick a class in the studio section. I'm going to choose Yoga House. I get to see all the details about it, like the location and how to get there even. Click on View Schedule. Here you see the whole calendar. I'm going to choose Sunday and click Meditation. And once you've selected this option, you get to see the details about it and any particular instruction they've left for you to follow. Now on top you can see Reserve Class. Click on Reserve Class and a confirmation will pop up with the number of credits that will be used and the time and the other details. I'm going to click Confirm. There you go, the class is booked. And if you want to cancel, you have the option to cancel as well. And the credits will be reversed. But please note, if you cancel class within 12 hours or before the class starts, there will be a cancellation fee.